Hey guys, I'm sitting here with my DIY, my new DIY Cooper's beer kit. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, see what's inside. All right, I'm gonna make a lager. So I got this whole thing. This was actually a used version, which you can get at a discounted price on Amazon. So I got this one for like 74 bucks. It's got all the bottles. Let's see how bad a shape it's in now. It's not looking too bad. Brew Enhancer. Oh, I know what this is. All right, yeah, looking good there. Nothing leaked out. Sometimes you get some of this stuff and it's just leaked out. And this is looking pretty darn good. Here's all the spout for the bottle caps. It's the clips. This is just what I needed. There's all the bottles in there. Stir spoon. Carbonation drop. Put these in the bottle when you're bottling. Get your, gives you the bubbly. Let's pull all this out. This is for bottling here too. Specific gravity stick, collar that goes around the top. This actually fit right in here. I know this because this is the second one of these I've purchased. I don't know if I mentioned that yet. There's my lid. There's a couple more bottles. A piece of paper down there is for the temperature. Very important. We're going to stick this on the side of our kit here, right about there. Well, here's everything that came with the kit. Got all the bottles, and then this, the collar and the lid, and then temperature. Again, carbonation drops. The yeast is underneath the cap here. This is the yeast you're going to use. So if you were looking for that, once you pop that up, Brew Enhancer. So this is really simple. Oh, and this is for bottling. I'm stirring, of course. Got the lids. And this just pops right into there. And these are the clips that clip this to here. And then here's your recipe, which this is probably the simplest beer and super good. Yeah, anyway, there we go. This Brew Enhancer, it's a kilogram of it. And it's just dextrose and maltodextrin. All right, before I sanitize this, I'm gonna go ahead and slap the temperature sticker on the side here. And then I am gonna go ahead and sanitize everything. I've got some Star San I bought from the beer supply store that I'm gonna use. So I love this stuff, it's really good. Go ahead and slap this on. Yeah, and this is just an adhesive sticker. Just put it right on there. You can put it anywhere on here and get away with it. Like about right there. I already got this all sanitized, and I got this sanitized as well. I'm just gonna snap it together, and then it pops right in there. Okay, there we go. It just pops on and off there, and it snaps on with a little clip. All right, this is nice. We're gonna go ahead and add this stuff. Okay, and then we just add these two. This is so easy, it's great. So we're just gonna add these two here, and then we're gonna fill it up to the 23 liter mark, just like warm water, and then stir it around. Then we'll add our yeast. Again, the yeast is on top of here. All right, first thing I'm gonna do is just pour this in there. Okay, we're gonna add 2 liters of hot water. Stir it up to dissolve it. Okay, we're gonna pour this in now. It's our yeast. All right, I heated this up. I'm just gonna open the lid on it I've dissolved this for the most part, the dextrose. I'm just adding hot water. It gets dissolved. I'm going to fill this up to about the 23-liter mark with warm water, and then I'll top it off with the with cooler water to bring the temp down if need be a little bit. But I'm going to use hot water and stir this up till it dissolves. Okay, I filled it up to 20-liter mark with hot water. Now I'm going to switch it to cold. Do the remaining 3 liters with cold. Bring that temp down a little bit. I can add my yeast. Okay, just sterilize the collar. Now I'm going to sterilize this. But when I put it on, just put some star sand in there, scrub it down. And then once this gets down to temp, I'll add the yeast. I had to wait till the next morning here to let the wort cool down. I didn't use a wort chiller, so I can pop the clips on it. Go ahead and stir it around again. I'm going to add my yeast. We're at like the 12-day mark for this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and bottle this up today. That's my IPA I got going. Here's our lager. Batch of lager, bottle dryer, sterilizing this stuff, sanitizing, hot water, and star sand. And I'm letting it dry on there. All right, now I'm just gonna take this right up in there. Then in each bottle, I'm going to put one of these. Okay, it's going to fill that thing up. And we'll just get a little sample here off that. Going to get things going. I have a bowl down below there, so because it drips, as you can see. One of these. There. And over here. Business now. Sanitized all the caps too. Here's the first one. Crank it down. All right, there we go. I'm gonna wait at least 2 weeks, probably closer to a month. All right, here's my first batch of beer in a long time. This is the lager, and it's all ready to go. Yeah, good carbonation. Let's give it a smell. All right, not too bad. Oh yeah. Nice head on it, nice color too. Wow, I didn't even use a secondary in that thing. Let's give it a shot. Cheers. Oh, that's just fine. Yep. Tastes better than Budweiser. Yeah, I like that. That is a nice. It's got a little bit of bitterness, like in a good way, like I'd expect from a good lager. Yeah, I'm very happy with the way this turned out. makes a fine brew. All right, yeah, I'd highly recommend you make this one. Super easy. It's the easiest beer you could ever make. So very tasty, very flavorful, not bland. I mean, that is a nice, good, healthy lager. So I'm pretty pleased with the color on it too. I'm actually pretty surprised, especially since I didn't use a secondary. So, all right, thank you all so much for watching. Much appreciated. Cheers.